everyone, it's Marianne, and today I am repotting my Constellation Monstera that I got from Costa Farms. Thank you so much for joining me today. And yes, you heard it right. I am going to be repotting my Constellation Monstera. I was going to wait until it reaches its 1 year anniversary. I got it in August. It had a couple more months before I want to repot it, but let me show you why I decided to repot it now. But before I do that, if you're new to my channel, hi, my name is Marianne. Welcome to My Oasis Life, where I take you along my houseplant journey and share with you some of my tips and tricks along the way, and also share with you lifestyle content that is focused on sustainability, wellness, and productivity, as well as share with you some of my personal and travel vlogs. So if that interests you, please do consider subscribing to my channel before the end of this video, and also like and comment down below. I would love to hear from you. But yeah, so let's go ahead and get started. So here's the Constellation Monstera that I got from Costa Farms. I didn't buy it though during their 200 plant release after they announced that they're no longer going to sell the Thicon. I won this from their giveaway last summer, which is August. So I was gonna wait until it reaches its 1st year anniversary, as I mentioned before I repot it. But I think it's gonna need repotting because, as you can see right here, this leaf is dying. It is one of its first leaves, so maybe it's just a maturing leaf. Also, the browning could be just like sunbird or just the regular life cycle of a Thicon. I've never experienced this though with my Thicon that I got from Thailand, but at the same time I chopped and popped that off and traded that plant or part of it for me to find out or reach this stage. And also it has been suffering a lot of leaf curling. The thing is though, I do underwater this plant. Maybe that's the reason, and I know that's terrible for the plant, but I'm also like kind of scared of overwatering this because Thicons are prone to root rot. But as you can see, it has grown aerial roots, and the aerial roots look healthy. I'm not doing like a full repot, to be honest. As you can see, the plastic nursery originally in, it's still there. I'm just transferring it directly to this pot, which is a terracotta pot that is glazed, so it looks like ceramic on the outside. So that is what I'm going to do. So I'm just really just transplanting it out of the nursery pot into this pot, at the same time checking the roots, making sure everything is okay. And this is just like a natural life cycle of the leaf of this plant. I'm just going to lay out my potting mat first so that I don't make too much of a mess while I do this. And excuse my appearance, it is very hot. I don't want to dress up. I just want to do this very quickly. But yeah. Okay, so let's see how we're gonna do this. We are trying to take this one out of trying to like push it. Did that look weird? Okay. All right. Okay, so let's take out the Velcro tape. Let's see what's going on. It looks fine to me, but we will see. It does have a lot of moisture on this side, maybe because, well, moisture and water gets trapped in when I do water it while it's in that pot. But I don't know, the humidity should be good for it though. But kind of don't want to cut the pot, so I'm just trying to get it out without cutting the pot, but we will see. Oh, whew. Finally. Whew. It is very root bound. Hold on. Show you a close up of the root ball. That is the root ball. Yeah, no root rot, it's just very root bound. And what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna loosen up the bottom a little bit. Oh shit. And then I'm going to Whew. Place it in this spot. I'm gonna put some lighter at the bottom. Mix them up and place this one here just like that. And I'm just gonna fill the sides with a little bit of soil because that's where it actually needs it, on the sides. Try to bury some of the aerial roots that are coming out underneath. And then move this one here. It's the sides that needs the soil and not the bottom. So I'm trying to give the sides some soil. I don't know, by doing it like this, maybe I'll be able to do it. And I'm gonna try to fill the sides out. But at the same time, not too much because I don't want to give it. The point is to give the roots a little bit more room to grow. So I'm not trying to stuff it with soil either. Okay. I'm gonna be putting some slow release fertilizer, just Miracle Grow ones. And then I have water here that has AquaSave, my fertilizer that I use, which is the Foliage Pro, and some Super Thrive. So let's water it. I'm gonna cut this one off right here at the base. There we go. And so this is the leaf that I cut off. As you can see, it is dying. So I think this one is just the natural growth or the natural dying of the leaf, which thank God, nothing's wrong with the plant. The roots are healthy. It was a little bit root bound, and now I have repotted it. So yeah, that's me repotting my fly Constellation Monstera that I got from Costa farms. I'm glad that it looks good. The root system looks good, and that leaf was just a mature leaf dying off, and I probably do need to water it a little bit more frequently to prevent the leaf curling and also the early browning of the leaves, especially the white parts. And since this pot is really no bigger than the nursery pot that it originally had, I just had to fill out some of the soil on the side. So it's still very much root bound, so I might have to actually repot it again soon, but I'm trying not to. I'm probably not going to repot it until next year though, and I'm just going to give it eventually a pole or a trellis or a plank to climb on as it grows. But yeah, so that's me repotting my Constellation Monstera. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you found any value in this video, please do consider sending me a super thanks. Just click at the bottom below right next to the subscribe button, I believe. So if you're not subscribed yet, make sure you also subscribe. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, and if you're new here, please do subscribe. I come up with videos every week, and if you haven't yet, check out these videos up here until my next one. But until then, I see you, I appreciate you. Take care of yourself and each other, and have a plentiful day. Oh my god, it's so hot.